So when you didn't have to do anything when you were growing up, when you didn't have to do anything when you were being raised, and you just go to school, come back, eat, and throw your bags here and there, you throw your laundry here and there, and the maid and your parents and whoever took care of it, and you could just go in your room and lock the door and do nothing, and suddenly when you joined Dharma, suddenly when you go out to work, everybody said, no, you suffer. Why do you suffer? It's because you had the bad karma to be born into a life where your parents didn't make you do things. So when you grew up, you became selfish, irresponsible, not wanting to work, not wanting to take responsibility, because with those qualities, you don't make friends, you don't advance in meditation, you don't become a better person, you don't do NGO work, you don't help anyone, and then you collect more negative karma. When you die, you go to a lower place. So when you are born in a privileged family, privilege means no responsibility. No responsibility. It is bad karma. Why is it bad karma? Because it trains you to become selfish more. Your mother should train you. Your mother should make you wash, clean. Your mother should make you do the laundry. Your mother should make you work and earn your salary. Your mother should not give you a free place to stay, an easy place to stay, a very easy life. Your mother and father should not give you that, because when you grow up, you will be a terror. You will not know how to have relationships. You will suffer divorces. You will know how to not know the value of money. You will not be able to work on the outside, and you will always look for money or easy life or free food or a free place to stay for the rest of your life. And having an easy life as you grow older, in fact, you will keep divorcing. If you look at movie stars or people of big families, the divorce rate is very high. Why? Because they were never trained to deal with life. Never.